Today I'm going to show you how to withdraw money from Go Crypto app. So to get started, go to Go Crypto app or onto your website. You can log in using your account. Next, you'll see your trading dashboard showing real-time market data for different cryptocurrencies. Then, go to your wallet section. Here, it will show your current balance. But here's the most important part. Go Crypto is not a real trading app. It's just a simulator made for educational purposes. That means while you can practice trading using live market data with no real money involved, you can't withdraw or cash out your balance. It's just a simple way to learn how crypto trading works. If you want to trade for real, then you need to use a licensed exchange like, for example, Binance, Coinbase, or Kraken, where deposits and withdrawals are supported. So in short, Go Crypto is a great learning tool, but it's not a real wallet or exchange. You can practice, test strategies, and track prices. And that's it. That's how you need to know about withdrawing money from Go Crypto app.